Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Journey. I'm Sarah, and with me today is my good friend Brian.
Hey everyone, it's great to see you again, or well, hear you again. This is the place where we make learning English simple, fun, and full of confidence.
That's right. Every episode, we help you improve your English and build the courage to actually use it.
Because speaking English isn't only about vocabulary or grammar, it's about confidence.
Exactly. And today's episode is all about that. Don't be afraid to speak English.
We all know that feeling. When you want to speak, but your heart says, what if I make a mistake?
But remember, everyone who speaks English fluently today once felt exactly like you do right now.
So true. In this episode, we'll listen to a short story, learn some useful vocabulary and expressions, and then practice speaking together.
So grab your headphones, relax, and let's start this journey toward confidence, right here on Easy English Journey. Story: The Cafe Conversation. Lisa is sitting in a small cafe. She's studying English and sipping her coffee. Her friend Tom walks in.
Hey, Lisa. Studying again?
Hi, Tom. Yeah, I have an online English meeting tomorrow, so I'm reviewing some phrases.
That's great. Are you ready?
Kind of, but honestly, I'm nervous. What if I forget words or pronounce something wrong?
I understand. But Lisa, don't be afraid to speak English.
Easy for you to say. You're confident when you speak.
Not always. You remember my first English presentation? I could barely say hello.
Oh, yes, you looked so nervous that day.
Exactly. But you know what I learned? Making mistakes is part of learning. When I stopped worrying, my English improved fast.
So you're saying I should just speak, even if I'm not perfect?
Exactly. Every time you speak, you get better. Silence doesn't help. Speaking does.
That makes sense. But sometimes people talk too fast and I don't understand.
That's okay. You can always say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Sorry, can you speak slowly?" That's totally natural English.
I like that. Maybe I'll try it.
And remember, your goal isn't to sound perfect, it's to communicate.
You're right. Communication first, perfection later.
Exactly. So tomorrow, smile, speak, and don't be afraid. You'll do great.
Thanks, Tom. I'll keep that in mind.
Vocabulary and expressions. That was a great story. Now let's go through some useful words and expressions from the conversation.
These are phrases you can use in real life when speaking English. 1. Nervous. Feeling worried or scared about something. Example, I feel nervous before speaking English in public. 2. Pronounce. To say a word correctly. Example, it's hard to pronounce long English words like comfortable. 3. Mistake. Something you do wrong. Example, don't worry about mistakes. They help you learn. 4. Communicate. To share ideas or feelings through words. Example, even simple English helps you communicate. 5. Repeat. To say something again. Example, could you repeat that, please? 6. Silence doesn't help. This means staying quiet doesn't help you improve. Example, don't be silent in class. Speaking helps you learn. 7. Perfection later. Don't try to be perfect now. Just start speaking. Example, focus on communication first, perfection later.
Great work. Now that you understand these phrases, let's practice speaking.
Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. I'll ask you a few questions. Try to answer out loud. Question 1. Who was studying English in the cafe?
Correct. Lisa was studying English.
Question 2. Why was Lisa nervous?
Because she had an online English meeting.
Question 3. What advice did Tom give her?
He told her not to be afraid and to just speak.
Question 4. What can Lisa say if someone speaks too fast?
She can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you speak slowly?"
Question 5. What is more important, perfection or communication?
Communication. Very good. Fantastic. Speaking out loud like this really helps your confidence grow.
Exactly. And now let's move to the shadowing practice. This part helps you sound more natural.
Shadowing practice. I'll say one sentence, listen carefully, then repeat right after me. Don't be afraid to speak English. Don't be afraid to speak English.
Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are part of learning.
Every time you speak, you become better. Every time you speak, you become better.
Silence doesn't help. Speaking does. Silence doesn't help. Speaking does.
Your goal isn't to be perfect, it's to communicate. Your goal isn't to be perfect, it's to communicate.
Communication first, perfection later. Communication first, perfection later.
Smile, speak, and don't be afraid. Smile, speak, and don't be afraid.
Excellent job! Practicing like this improves pronunciation and rhythm.
Mini conversation practice. Let's try a short version of the story together. I'll be Lisa, and you'll be Tom. I'm nervous about my English meeting.
Don't be afraid to speak English.
But what if I make mistakes?
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay.
Sometimes I don't understand fast speakers.
Just say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Thanks. I'll try my best tomorrow.
You'll do great.
Awesome job. That's real life English practice.
Recap story, short version. Let's quickly review what happened. Lisa was nervous about her English meeting. She was afraid of making mistakes. Tom told her not to be afraid and to keep speaking. He said speaking helps you improve faster. Tom reminded her that communication is more important than perfection. At the end, Lisa felt ready and confident.
Exactly. Every time you speak English, you get a little better. Confidence grows step by step.
Motivation and outro. Speaking English can feel scary, and that's okay. Fear means you're growing.
Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking now. Mistakes are your teachers.
Each word you say takes you one step closer to fluency.
And one day you'll smile and say, "I'm glad I didn't stay silent."
So keep going, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Journey, where every lesson takes you closer to confidence.
And remember, every time you speak English, your journey continues.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't be afraid. Your voice matters. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe your channel, Easy English Journey.
See you in the next episode of Easy English Journey. Bye for now.